For lab number 6, for data table 1, the titration of vinegar with sodium hydroxide, vinegar sample 1, 2, and 3 were pretty much, the mass of the vinegar was pretty much the same for all 3 of them. So was the volume of the vinegar density pretty much the same. The initial volume was the same because all of them, the syringe was 10 milliliters. The final volume in the syringe was different because depending on how much color I was able to see was how much sodium hydroxide I put. The volume of the delivered was, like I said, almost the same, just a couple of numbers different, which was not that much. One was 3.94, one was 3.96, and one was 3.99. So very, very similar. The moles delivered also was almost the same. Like I said, just a couple of digits different, just a couple of numbers difference. The moles of acetic acid in the sample it's the same as the moles delivered, so nothing changed there. The mass of the acetic acid in the samples, I think sample 1 and sample 3 had the same, which was 0.24. Sample 2 was 0.23, which is not that much of a difference. The calculated molarity of the acetic acid, again, pretty much within the same range, just a couple numbers different. The calculated percent of mass of acetic acid in the sample vinegar, again, all within the 1% range. One was 1.60, the second sample was 1.54, and the third sample was 1.62. So all of them were pretty much within the same range. And the average calculated mass was 34.89, which I got by adding the mass of all 3 vinegars and then dividing it by 3. And that was for data table number 1.